If you want to customize always on display on OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can go to settings. Once you open settings, choose home screen, lock screen and style. And then in here we should be able to swipe up from the bottom to open this section, and you can find always on the display in here. Now we can choose one of these three modes. We have seamless and classic, which allow you to also go to display settings to adjust some of these options. And there is also the full screen, which doesn't allow you to actually go through display settings, but here we have a little description of this mode. Now here below we also have different themes or images that you can use, or text and so on and so forth. So you can choose whichever style you wish to use. Over here we can make some adjustments here and there. You can apply different colors and so on and so forth. So be sure to check that out, and if you want to use any of them, then just use the apply button here at the bottom of the screen. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.